everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to share this tip with you today. I used it with my last two children, how to teach your kids their letter sounds when they're between the ages of 3 to 5. And it can work for kids who are older too, but you'll see why it's not as recommended in a minute. When children are between the ages of 3 and 5, they can start learning their letter sounds. This is according to most sources on Google. Research shows that it's best to teach children the letter sounds before the letter names. That's the first step in literacy. Literacy meaning reading and writing. It takes children with dyslexia much longer to learn their letter sounds and all the other steps to literacy as well. But this is the foundation. So here's what I did for my 3 to 5-year-olds. I bought Letter Factory off of YouTube and I had them watch it every day. It's about 35 minutes long and it's a fun little movie. It uses music. I would have my children watch it before they watched anything else on TV. It was like one of their chores. And if they said, "Mom, can I watch TV?" I would say, "Yes, right after you watch Letter Factory." They knew all of their letter sounds and it was concreted in their brains. And all I would have to say when they were struggling is, what does the E say? What does the T say? Because that's part of the song that they use in the movie. And they could recall it. So I would reinforce what they were learning from the movie by asking them their letter sounds while we were driving, while we were eating, while we were reading. Around the time I started doing this, it was beneficial to my older children as well. 2 of them were really struggling with reading and writing. And so they would watch along with their little brothers and get the benefit without it being kind of humiliating to be watching this preschooler show. If your child would be willing and happy to do that because they knew it would be beneficial to them, watching that show would help any child learn their letter sounds. It even helped me because I wasn't exactly clear on the different vowel sounds because each vowel makes 2 sounds, and then it became concrete in my mind too. So that's all I had to do to teach my children their letter sounds. My next video will be about blending consonant, vowel, consonant words. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Share this channel with parents and caretakers of kids with dyslexia, and let me know if there's anything in particular that you would like help with.